Just few days back, everybody was wondering whether the schools will open, whether the colleges will open or not. But now I think things have started getting clearer. So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So in this video we are going to discuss about this session 2021, whether it will be considered a zero session or all the academic activities will restart and it will be taken as a normal session and exams and everything will be conducted. So stay tuned and watch the video till last. So as I have told you that earlier many assumptions were there, children were assuming that it might be considered as a zero session, so that's why they were not taking their studies seriously. Many children were not even attending their online classes and all. But now I think the things have become very much clear, because we can see that after 21st of September many states have decided to reopen their schools, although partially, but they have opened their schools and they are working. So we have come to know that some states like Haryana, West Bengal and Kerala etc., they have decided to reopen their schools, although Delhi Chief Minister has denied that schools will not open from 21st of September, but students of 9th to 12th can go to their schools to discuss the things with their teachers. Although they have said that schools will remain closed till 5th of October. But now if we talk about colleges and universities, so here also there is a good news for all the students of first year, that now UGC has allowed the colleges to start their new session from 1st of November. So this is really a good news for all the students who are waiting for their colleges to reopen. Their admission process has started. Now they all are waiting for like their cutoffs and everything, and from 1st of November their classes will start. Now this we will have to see whether these classes will be online or offline, but they will be started. And one more thing has been added by the University Grant Commission, that there will not be any winter break or summer break for college students this year. So this thing is something new, but at least you must be happy that your colleges are going to start. So now I think this thing is very much clear, that this year is not at all going to be considered as a zero session. And if we talk about our HRD Minister Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, he has also said in an interview that not at any cost they are going to declare it as a zero session, because he thinks that wasting 1 year of the student's life will be really very wrong decision. And that is the reason he said that they insisted on conducting NEET and JEE exams, because they didn't want to waste 1 year of the students. And that is the reason that the government will definitely take this as a working session, not as a zero session. So here one word of advice, one word of caution for all the students of colleges and schools, that don't take your studies lightly, take them seriously, because ultimately you will have to appear in your exams. Means they are not at all going to be cancelled. They may be delayed, but they will not be cancelled. So all of you be quite careful and start studying if you haven't started it yet, because you will find that suddenly your exam dates will be announced and then you may be in a fix what to do and what not to do. So it's better to be careful right at the beginning. Rather it's late, but for college students it's going to be the beginning. So I wish luck to everybody, best of luck to the college students, to the school students, everybody. So take your studies seriously and do share this video with others also, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and don't forget to like the video.